Yeredumarang Yawandi Clayton, Nadi Yinjimara Warambira, Nina Norambangu, Yinjimaragu Rajri Majigan, Yinjimara Biambu Nina, Madangu. G'day, my name's Clayton. I respect to the traditional custodians of the land, respect to Radri elders, respect to all here. Thank you.
What happiness is to you, because I'm happy clap along.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Angela Trinder, and in 2020 I've had great pleasure in being a Deputy Principal at Young High School. 2020 started in a haze of smoke and drought which turned into a pandemic. For many, 2020, a year that they would like to forget as it brought many new challenges. At school, teachers learned fast and became quite efficient at using Google Classroom, Zoom or Teams to communicate lessons during the uncertain time of home learning. Students learnt just as quick, learning how to learn using these methods. Students also had to be more self-motivated and be more independent in their learning. Many parents took up the challenge, became more technologically savvy and assisted their students through this difficult time. Congratulations and thanks must go to all of you for adapting, being innovative and responding in a positive way to a difficult situation. Being back at school hasn't always been easy with COVID restrictions, as the school restrictions were often different to those in the community. We have battled through and there has been many positives that have come out of 2020. As we end the year, let's be grateful for learning new skills, developing tolerance, perseverance and understanding, and doing things differently, like these assemblies. On behalf of the school community, it is with great pleasure that I congratulate Miss Anna Barker on being named the Principal of Young High School. Ms Barker has been relieving in the position for the past 18 months, so congratulations and well done, Ms Barker. I look forward to continuing in 2021, ready to welcome all students and assist them to be the best person that they can be. On behalf of Ms Lynn Schiller, the Deputy of 7, 9 and 11, and myself, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a safe and happy holiday and all the best for 2021. Thanks.
Welcome to the Term 4 2020 Year Advisor Awards. Straight up, we have Positive Growth, Stacey Headley, Hayden Richards and Connor Watts. Congratulations, guys. For our Citizenship Awards, we have Tyson Hunter, Mahala Ward and Emma Barnes. Well done. And Consistent Effort, Term 4 2020, we have Ali Allen, Hamish Long and Caleb Curtis. Congratulations to all those students. Have a great holiday, everybody, and we'll see you next year for Year 8 2021.
The Year 8 Year Advisor Awards are The Consistent Effort, Vernon Azana. For Positive Growth, Kelsey Loco. And Citizenship, Lily Rose McFeeters.
This term's Year 9 Year Advisor Awards for Citizenship, Mitchell Osmond. For Consistent Effort, Jack Carson. And for Positive Growth, Felicity Job.
No offense to you, don't waste your time.
Congratulations to the following Year 10 students for their hard work this year. Consistent Effort, Bonnie Newham. Positive Growth, Aidan Gurney.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want.
Citizenship Award, Matilda de Britt.
Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down.
A big congratulations to Ima and Adja for consistent effort this term.
Can't none bring me down. I said,
Congratulations to Liam Humphreys for receiving the Citizenship Award.
clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
3 students from Young High School have successfully completed an entry into the National History Challenge. Congratulations to the following students: Angel Parsons,
You feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know.
Tania De Bono,
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
and Paulo Marabo.
Bring me down. Your love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you.
This year we entered 3 debating teams in the Premier's Debating Challenge, which was a knockout competition for the first time. All teams performed very well. Both of our 9 and 10 teams were the equivalent of zone champions, while our 7-8 team made it to the final 30 in the state. Congratulations to the following students: Paulo Marabo, Holly Fitzsimmons, Tania De Bono, Wade Blackie, Cola Albath, Angel Parsons, Lucy Lamb, Vincent Ward, Maya Lovaz, Chantel Bourne, Emily Lamb, Tennyson Neville, Lucinda Madden, Mahala Ward, Annalise Rothy, Caitlin Bourne.
Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine.
The Premier Reading Challenge aims to encourage a love of reading for leisure in students and to enable them to experience quality literature. It is not a competition but a challenge to each student to read more and to read more widely. Students are challenged to read 20 books before the end of August, but books read after can count towards the next year. The following students completed the challenge this year. In Year 7, Ava King, Annalise Rothy, Angelique Sutherland, Oscar Taylor, Mahala Ward, Cherry Wynn. In Year 8, Lucida Madden. In Year 9, Chantel Bourne, Aaron Owers,
If you feel like happiness.
Hannah Steenbergen, and Bella Taylor. A big congratulations to all these students for their participation and perseverance to be successful. Well done.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Ain't got a soapbox I can stand upon. My God gave me a stage, a guitar, and a song. My daddy told me, son, don't you get involved in politics, religions, other people's quotes. I'll paint the picture, let me set the scene. I know when I have children, they will know what it means. And I pass on these things my family's given to me. Just love and understanding, positivity. world in a moment.
The revolution's coming, it's a minute away. I saw people marching in the streets today. You know we are made up of love and hate, but both of them are balanced on a razor blade.
I'll paint the picture, let me set the scene. I know I'm all for people following their dreams just free. Remember, life is more than fitting in your jeans. It's love and understanding, positivity.
We could change this world with a piano and a bass, some guitar, grab a beat, and away we go. I'm just a boy with a one-man show. No university, no degree, but Lord knows everybody's talking about exponential growth and the stock market crashing in their portfolios. So I'll be sitting here with a song that I wrote, singing love could change this world in a moment. What do I know? Love could change this world in a moment. What do I know? Love could change this world in a moment. Open the picture, let me set the scene. You know the future's in the hands of you and me. So let's all get together, we can all be free. Spread love and understanding, positivity. We could change this world with a